we'll go ahead and get to it. So I'm just kind of pulling out what I got here. I got the, like I said, K-Zero Plate carrier. Got this one in Ranger Green. This is the size medium. I am a big frame guy, but went ahead and with the medium anyway, because like I said, I like to have as minimal as I can on my body as possible. I like to be able to kind of move around. So definitely still have some protection, guys. I know there's a lot of, gonna be some arguments out there on YouTube about this thing. I've seen a ton of it, but you know, personally myself, I was in the Marine Corps, had to wear a big, huge, bulky plate carrier. It serves its purpose, ain't no doubt about it. But as far as, you know, training and stuff like that goes, training is gonna get you a lot further. If you're ever in a situation where you're gonna need to use a plate carrier, you're gonna wanna be mobile, and your training is what's gonna save your life, not your plate carrier. So just keep that in mind. You know, definitely something that I still recommend, highly recommend wearing a plate carrier. It's just, this is the more minimalist design, which I think is way more beneficial for my type. Okay, so got the Agilite plate carrier here. This is the original cummerbund, kind of comes with it. It's really, really cool design actually, because it's adjustable. So you can really kind of go through, you can loosen these up, you can make it bigger, make it tighter, make it looser, whatever you need. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. One thing that's super, super nice about Agilite, so if you're watching this video, you've probably done a bunch of research, done a bunch of different video watchings, things like that on YouTube. Agilite is one of the only companies that I've seen that actually has shoulder pads that come with their plate carrier. So that's pretty cool that they do that, include the cummerbund, include the shoulder pads, you know, kind of right out of the box. Have some really, really good foam kind of inside here, so that makes it super nice as well. Super highly adjustable. Maybe I can do another video about that, since this one's just kind of an unboxing. But with that, we'll go ahead and see what else we got in here. So like I said, I did go ahead and buy the Warfighter cummerbund. Again, with my frame, I got a medium size plate carrier with a large size cummerbund, just because got wider frame, so front to back, like a little bit more comfort. But the Warfighter cummerbund, in my opinion, is one of the coolest design that's on the market. Again, if you're watching this video, you've probably done a bunch of research on some different plate carrier options. And for me, the Warfighter cummerbund is the coolest one that I've come across. Certainly will be the coolest one that I've used, just because it's got that rigid frame. So it's got that, you know, that durability that you're going to want when you have, if you decide to run any pouches, any magazines, anything on the side plates, side armor, whether it be hard or soft. It's just nice to have that rigidity. Keeps everything in place. Keeping everything in place is super nice. It's not flopping around. Again, it's not all about comfort. You're buying a plate carrier. If you ever have to use your plate carrier, wear your plate carrier, whether it's for training or not, especially if it's not, you're not really going to care about comfort. So you're going to want something that's rigid, something that can hold all of your gear in place so it's in the same spot every single time. Also, memory is super important. But what's really cool about these is that the top two layers are structured and the bottom layer here is kind of flappy. So if like me, got a little bit of gut, right? A little bit of gut on the side, it's gonna kind of loosen up around that. If you're bending over and stuff, it's not gonna be super rigid, just kind of, you know, digging into your sides. If you're wearing a belt, that can be a mess as well. Stuff hanging off your belt gets kind of up there. But what's super cool is that you can attach this side to the front here. It's got, or the back rather, and it's got some elastic. So it actually kind of pulls and stretches, which is super cool. Any other cummerbund that you get, it's going to be super structured, super rigid, right in place. You're not going to have any adjustability. But this cummerbund right here, it actually has that play. So again, once I'm done unboxing, I'll probably do another video, kind of put it together, show you guys what I'm talking about. The other super cool thing about this cummerbund is that Agilite has a design where you can actually take this flap off and you can put a quick tube on it. So I did get one quick tube. To be honest, definitely not a trademark by me. I've seen a lot of people running the one tube. I think that's a super cool design, super cool idea for easy donning and doffing. Just running it on the one side's cool because on the other side, typically you're non-dominant. I run my tube on my dominant side, my shooting side, just because I have very minimal gear on my right side, just because I'm gonna have my rifle, want to shoulder it. Again, I don't want anything to get in the way of that. But on the left side, you can run, you know, a wing thing or something from Spiritus on the left side there, and it'll always be in the same spot. You don't have to move your placard around, right? Because, you know, for me, I'm very anal when it comes to that stuff. Got to make sure that everything's squared up, everything's lined up where it starts to, you know, unevenly wear down on your body. So, but anyway, so again, got a left and right cummerbund here. So I'll go ahead and put all those together in another video. Let's see, what else did I get in here? So I got the pincer placard, super cool. You know, mag placard. Again, there's a million of them on the market. One thing that I think is super cool with Agilite is that they're very modular. I know it sounds like a keyword talking point. If you've watched a lot of videos, modularity is becoming very important, and I agree with that. Because every single person is different, everyone trains different, everyone has a different mission set. So you got to, you know, put your gear together, whatever's going to be best for you. Every single person is different, every single build is different. Me personally, I don't like to have a lot of stuff just kind of bulked out in front of me, especially wearing a plate carrier. You're going to be laying down, you know, you're going to be running, going to be moving. You got a weapon slung across your body, right? You don't want it just sticking out. So that's just my personal preference. Some people do like it because you can access all your gear. At a later date, I do plan to buy the multi-mission hanger, or the six-pack hanger rather, from Agilite. It's one of the best designs that I've actually seen. A lot of mission hangers will hang down way lower than theirs. They have a really cool design where it's not going to get in the way of the belt. So, but it still has that extra space in there for whatever you want to put in there, gloves, you're right in the rain, things like that. You're not going to be putting a ton of gear on your plate carrier. You know, just the stuff that you're going to need, right? Pens, markers, maps, compass, right in the rain. Gloves, you know, if you're super cool, super tactile, got some civilian flashbangs or grenades, all those types of cool things, you could throw that in there as well. Maybe some chem lights. You know, get more advanced into things as you go down the road, but at first you're not going to be having a lot in there. So for me, just a triple rifle mag placard's perfect. So I'll go ahead and get this open here. Again, not the most pleasant unboxing video, just kind of getting through it here. So let's see, super cool. So again, triple rifle mag placard already comes with, looks like got some D-hooks on it that you can hook right around your Velcro on the top here, your Molly Velcro. And then it also comes with some clips, so you can get your clips weaved in there. I prefer the clips over the D-rings just because it's way more secure. Again, once I put this in, I got the tube, so it's going to be in place. I like the clips better, so it comes with both male and female, 2 black hooks, so you don't have to worry about purchasing those. Go ahead and comes in the box for you. So, and short of that, that's about what you get there. And then Agilite actually just came out with this, so this is the second layer Molly panel for the placard. I also think that's super cool. Obviously, they got a really neat design here with this, but you can actually loop your Molly through these rings here. And what this second layer placard is, it just kind of puts that Molly on the front of the placard. So you can see kind of, let's take this off here real quick. All right, so you can kind of loop this around through here and have a Molly field in the front. Again, super flat, super minimalist, nothing that can catch on it. Not that anything's going to catch here, but just kind of that super clean, flat look in the front. And that is about as far as I'm good with it sticking out. So put something here, might put some small things, maybe a pen or a chem light, something like that, some zip ties. Run those through here in case you need them for anything, and then get that multi-mission hanger, get your multi-tool, stuff like that inside of it. But I'll get this put together, and again, I'll put in a later video kind of the whole setup together. A couple other cool things. Agilite just throws in the packaging here. Packing slip there. Looks like they got a register to be this is to register your warranty. And they also have kind of become a product tester. So I did go ahead and sign up for this, got selected in their T&E program. So super cool to see kind of what they have coming up in the future. Excited to definitely, you know, help get some gear, try it out, get my feedback. That's what I like to do. I like to give some feedback to people on things, good, wrong, right, wrong, or indifferent, good or bad. Looks like they got some cool stickers in here, counter tear monkey, so that's pretty cool. And then this, I think, was a special that they were running. Actually came with their blood red scorpion patch, so got a cool Velcro patch. Got a bunch of Velcro patches from the Marine Corps, a bunch of patches just kind of floating around, so definitely a cool addition with that red scorpion pouch or patch there. And then these are the tubes that I went ahead and bought for the plate carrier. That I will be mounting to the Warfighter cummerbund. So yeah, you can buy these right on the website in the cart. You can buy 1 or 2, doesn't have to come with multiple. So got your tubes here, kind of can click those in like that, and locks it in place. And like I said, on these Warfighter cummerbunds here, you can super easy, just kind of undo this Velcro here, pop these off, and then you can run your MOLLE weaving on the side here, through these clips. So it comes with the QD, and then it also comes with your little pull tab, so that you can easily pull it, pop it off, and put it on. So, with that being said, again, this is my first video, so GirlDad&Guns. You can catch me on YouTube. I also have an Instagram, GirlDad&Guns. Plan to do a bunch of videos like this. It's super cool. Obviously, GirlDad&Guns, as it relates to me, just average Joe, American, but Marine Corps veteran. Love my gear, love my guns, love my family, love my country. Want to be able to protect at all costs when I can. Also, super cool just to have some awesome gear. Who doesn't like that, right? So you guys are trying to find the sexiest videos on YouTube. Got to look good while you're doing it, just like with golf, right? If you look like you know what you're doing, look like a professional, enough practice, eventually you'll get there. So just like with this, but I think Ranger Green's my color, so definitely like to wear that. Multicam's pretty cool too, but there's a lot of really neat features, kind of on this plate carrier that I'll get into later, but just really cool designs with everything, super intentional, super easy cable management. They also have their own map back placard that you can put on here. It kind of runs through the back MOLLE. It's minimalist, so super cool there. Lots of flexibility. Not necessarily going to be jamming that backpack full of stuff. That's not really its intent. It's big enough that you can put, put a hydration bladder in. Super cool little design in the back where it kind of just opens up like a dump pouch almost, and you can just throw a bunch of gear in there. You can throw your helmet in there, do whatever. So, but anyway, appreciate you guys watching. I'll do another video on this really soon once I have it all put together. I'm just going to show you guys. I'll even put it on. You guys can kind of see with my build. Maybe you got a similar build, maybe not. But you can kind of see how it looks when it's on, and go from there. So hope you guys kind of understand a little bit more about the K-Zero Plate carrier from Agilite, some of the cool upgrades, features that they have. And stay tuned for more. Thanks.